everyone, April Storm here, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you what I created in my live video yesterday with friends, and we worked on Nathalie at LineDotArrow's beautiful ephemera pages for her Timeless Blooms digital kit. She actually has 4 digital kits that all complement one another, and they are in her Etsy shop. All the links you need will be in the description. Go check it out. So we made this beautiful little, one of 2 ways. It is a floating pocket that you can put anywhere you want in your journal, or it becomes stationary and you take this tab and attach it to your page, and then you have a flip pocket. Inside of this pocket we have a journal, a tag, and we have this beautiful Songs of Love music paper in the background. This is very, very old, and I left that message there, and it's just beautiful. And then behind this tag is another little secret pocket, and I've added another tag. I did not embellish these tags. They are just so beautiful, and the art speaks on its own. We've got some beautiful lace to make this shabby chic. Then you can open it up, and you have a beautiful notepad that you can write in. And this notepad, every page has these beautiful acetate stickers for you to enjoy while you're journaling. I won't flip through them all, but as you can see, in the back of your notepad, you have this beautiful lace pocket using the lace from Two Sister Jam Etsy shop. Links will be in the description box. You won't be disappointed with their beautiful laces and papers. And I actually got this music page from them. You can get a whole package. This is another ephemera piece from her lovely kit, and it tucks right in there. On this side, I decoupaged a napkin that I thought was beautiful, added some lace, and it opens up to a nice little double pocket full of lace and ephemera. I absolutely love this little card, and it goes with her beautiful, oh gosh, I'll think of the word in a moment. And we have a nice little cluster here with this handsome little boy. He is so cute, and you'll see these two together in her pages, and they're beautiful. This is interactive, so we got the kinetic technique going on here, and you can journal on the backs of these. You can journal in the back here, and you have a beautiful little tab to flip, and you can journal all on the back if you like. So that is the stationary or floating pocket. And I got this idea from Kathy's Garden. She is absolutely phenomenal with her tutorials, and her style is beautiful. I'm going to link her below and give her the credit, because I don't know if she is the one who come up with it, but that's where I come up with it. That's where I saw it and decided it would be fun to recreate. This is the coffee filter doily, paper doily pocket. We have 3 doilies here, 1, 2, and 3. They're made into a pocket with this beautiful ribbon, ruffled lace, and these acetate ephemera pieces that I got from, oh goodness, I look where I got these from and the name of the collection, and I'll link it below in the description box. I put some ephemera in there from Nathalie's beautiful kit. Oh my goodness, it's so shabby chic, lush, boho, beautiful. My design team project, I'm going to use that kit along with the torn paper scraps kit. And oh, the pages are beautiful in that kit too. Oh my goodness. Like I said, there are 4 of them to choose from. And she has a deal going on where you get a certain percentage off getting those 4 kits. There's different benefits. So, you know, this one you can just mount it down or let it float, pop it in Happy Mail, whatever you want to do with it. So I did want to show you that, and I hope you enjoy it. And the next thing we're going to do is, now I've already did a flip through on this channel of my gorgeous love letter archives, the private papers of Violet. So I won't do another flip through, but I do want to talk about it. This is what we are working on right now currently in Junkjournal Joy with April Storm, which is my Facebook group. Links will be in the description. There is a huge discount code for group members, and there are exclusives specifically for that group. There's a newsletter that you can sign up for, and then you'll get even more exclusive freebie benefits. So there's no reason to not join. Head on over there. And we are working on like I said, this month. Violet has a suitor. It's the 1890s, and she is in love. He travels for work, and they miss each other all the time. Now, there's a mystery surrounding their love affair, and they're not supposed to be together. But they have a plan. And in the kit, you will see that there are hints. There's a note, burn after reading, that he has left for her. He wants her to meet him at the iron gate where the wild white roses bloom when the moon is new. He has 2 tickets, and they're going to sail away together. Well, actually, they're train tickets. They're going to train away together. So they have their plan in place, and they're writing letters back and forth to one another to soothe their weary hearts until it's time for the escape. This photo right here, the golden hour, that's what they call it. This is the iron gate where the wild white roses grow. It's a new moon, and it's the golden hour. It's a beautiful, beautiful kit. You should watch the flip through that I have on my video, on my previous video. And I have a huge discount code. If you go to my Facebook group and you copy that code, go to my Etsy store, links in the description, paste in your code, and you'll get 40% off. So go check it out. Now, I want to show you a flip through of my latest kit. Emerald Archives, Moss and Mechanics. Now, let me get this rearranged a bit. It's hot off the printer and a little bit out of order for my personal taste. So, I did print some of these on front and back. So, I will be flipping the pages over. And this is a mix of green, beautiful moss. Just think of the Irish moss. St. Patrick's Day meets Victorian steampunk. The Emerald Archives, Moss and Mechanics. It's such a beautiful kit. Look at those rich greens and golds, bronze. Just beautiful. Here's a gorgeous writing page on the back. It's the observation log. Here we have the Celtic cross and gears and a beautiful butterfly with all this lush green moss and a dark forest with a beautiful light coming down. Here we've got a celestial chart showing the moon phases. And the person who is in this story is in the 1800s, and they are researching. They're a naturalist. They're searching for new things in the forest, and they come upon this beautiful mystery and all the notes the archivist left behind. Isn't that beautiful? I love this page. Steampunk is so just wonderful. It's delicious. Plenty of writing space. We have this. At every page I could just rave about. I really enjoyed making this. If you're looking for a March kit now so that you can get it printed out and get the basics complete for March, then you need to head over to my Etsy shop after you go to my group, become a member. Get your discount code, head to Etsy, and get the amazing kit at an amazing price. Be ready for March. Although we are working on the Love Letters kit, this is the reason this is out already, so that you can get prepped and prepared. Look at this gorgeous masterboard, all ready to, you can print this out as many times as you want. You can back your journal cards and tags with it, and You have beautiful writing space. You can keep it as a page and do that. It's a masterboard, so your imagination is the limit. These archivist notes are gorgeous. Now this page was meant to be printed on vellum paper, and it just has some gears and a camera and clocks and a bird and these beautiful little ink smudges that the archivist left behind. Okay, now on to the ephemera. And I gave you so many things that you can use. Pockets and ephemera. Some page tabs and ephemera. Some smaller journaling cards. I love, love, love these journaling cards. They're just beautiful. I gave you some gorgeous words and some pockets to go with those journaling cards. Here's some more ephemera to cut out to decorate your pages and your tags with and your cards. More fussy cuts, a couple little journaling cards, and some labels all filled out for you. Numbers. We all love numbers. These are beautiful. You've got the small strips to cut out for your page edges or your journal card edges, and then you have the larger strips. I think you're really going to enjoy the kit. As you can see, it prints beautifully at 300 DPI. When you go in and you purchase the kit, you will have a thank you and download PDF. There will be a link on it. You click that link and it takes you directly to download your purchase. If you have any issues or problems, message me in Etsy immediately and we'll get it all squared away. Well, I hope you enjoyed discussing these kits and seeing the beautiful creations that we made yesterday in the live. I hope you go back and watch the flip through of the love letters kit and you take the time to watch the live. It was really a lot of fun. It does end suddenly. My computer just absolutely shut down, so that was unfortunate, but it's a couple hours long. You can watch it on, double or triple speed. Thank you all so much for joining me. Have a beautiful, blessed day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye now.